This dog has been searching for a home for over a year. Every day she would get up, walk around the neighborhood, looking for food, and then go back to her little hiding spot and wait for the day to end. One day, a woman was walking home from the grocery store when she saw a pair of eyes in the bushes. She couldn't see the dog at first because it was so well hidden. But once she did, she started talking to it and the dog came out. The woman took the dog home and gave her food and water. The dog ate so much that day because she hadn't had enough to eat in a while, and the woman even let her sleep in her bed. The next morning, the woman woke up early to take the dog for a walk. She didn't want to keep her inside all day. So they went to the park and played fetch. The dog was so happy to finally have a home, and as the days went by, the dog got fatter and fatter. And the woman was so happy that she could finally find a new home for her.